Chickenpox is becoming more of a concern for students and parents in the Wabash Valley. Vigo County Schools announced an outbreak last month, but new cases are still being reported.
Now outbreaks are spreading to areas outlying Vigo County. News 10's Brittany Earle tracked down the newest reported cases.
The chickenpox virus continues to spread across the Wabash Valley. As of Monday morning, Montezuma Elementary School declared an outbreak. 8 confirmed cases of the chickenpox. 5th grade math teacher Mr. Hudson says he was surprised by the outbreak.
It's been a few years, where to this degree we've had this many cases of chickenpox. I think it's one of those things that not too many people think about anymore with the vaccine.
By Wednesday morning, the school set up a vaccine clinic vaccinating around 80 kids. Even though Montezuma Elementary was the only school with confirmed cases, the state health department covered all their bases.
There was a concern because we do share bus rides with the high school kids, and then the Rosedale kids share with other high school kids, and that whole chain thing going on. So the State Department of Health just decided that we should do all 3 buildings.
Mr. Orr says throughout his 9 years as superintendent, he's never seen an outbreak.
We had chickenpox parties. So if somebody has chickenpox, everybody goes to that house to try to get it, so you get it and get over with. And that time has come and gone now. So it is a little bit out of the ordinary and a little bit out of the ordinary for us.
Mr. Hudson says it makes no difference to how he teaches his class. He's used to kids being out sick.
And that just makes for some catch-up time when the students come back. But it's that way anytime a student misses, so we adjust, we just go with it.
In Montezuma with photojournalist Tony Casasilla, Brittany Earle, News 10.
Health officials vaccinated more than 80 kids at Montezuma and Rosedale elementary schools. Officials vaccinated 5 students at Riverton Park.